So I've got my balloon inflatable here. I love that this inflates and deflates. It's super easy to use. Before I show you how to use it, let me show you that it does come with 6 nozzles here. So it really depends on the type of inflatable that you're going to be using this for, whether it's balloons, air mattresses, swimming inflatables. On the bottom side here, we do have some suction cups here. So it really holds it good to keep it from moving around while you're inflating things. But right here, this is your deflator. You can take one of these nozzles, and for instance, I'm just taking this one right here. If I had a large, maybe an air mattress, I could use this to go ahead and just pull the air out of it. Other than that, I'm going to stick it right here. And there's 2 ways to inflate this. We've got a button right here. You could just leave it on like that if you want to, or when you put the balloon on this and you press it, it comes on like that too. When you're ready to inflate, you just put it over the top and then just press down. Lift off that, and then you're ready to go ahead and tie it up. Now these are good for inflatables by the pool too. It makes it so much more easier than just blowing into it by mouth. And there you go, it's that easy. Hope you found this review helpful.